Hello all, welcome to Rupa Cloth Store. This is Arun. In today's episode, we are going to see handloom pure mercerized kanji cotton sarees. All these are 10 yards and the thread count is 125 counts and it's made of pure handloom. And this time we have got designs like plain, checks, with booties and without booties. And this sarees will not have blouse and it's easy to maintain and is very screen friendly and it's going to be a traditional attire. So before getting into this video, please subscribe to Rupa Cloth Store and please follow us on Instagram and Facebook page. All the sarees are updated in Instagram before coming into YouTube. So please follow on Instagram. Let's get into the
Today we are seeing some kanji cotton 10 yard sarees. All the sarees comes with checks pattern, plain, with booties and without booties. We are going to show some of the color combinations today. And before that, please subscribe Rupa Cloth Store and please follow us on Instagram and Facebook page for regular updates. We will see the sarees one by one in this video. We are going to show some of the color combos in this video and we'll see the sarees one by one. The first 10 yards kanji cotton saree comes with a green color with Mailkan pattern. You can see the border will have traditional Mailkan pattern, and above that you can see the temple pattern on it. And all over the body you will have blue and purple checks. This is the body part, and we'll see the pallu. Pallu is in line, that is seer talappu or adayar talappu we'll say. It's a very traditional and beautiful color combination, and it's very comfortable to wear and very easy to maintain. All these sarees are 10 yards without blouse. If you wish to convert it to ready-made madisar, you can make it on additional cost, both Iyer and Iyengar style. And price range of the saree will be 1950. The next kanji cotton 10 yard saree comes with maroon color with traditional Mailkan and the peacock design. It comes like a retapet border. It's a very beautiful border, and all over the body you will have maroon color and the yellow color checks. It's one of the beautiful and traditional pattern. This will be the body part, and we will see the pallu. Pallu will come in seer talappu, that's a line talappu. All these are completely handloom with 140 count threads. All these are complete handloom and rich cottons which will not shrink, and all the sarees are color fast. And cost of the saree will be 2950. If you wish to place the order, you can contact the below shown WhatsApp number or you can visit Rupa Cloth Store, Nanganallur. The next 10 yards kanji cotton saree comes with green color and it has retapet border. The retapet border comes in Rudrajam pattern, and on the top you will have a temple border on it. We will see the body part. Body comes with checks pattern completely with the green and maroon yellow mixed lines. This is the body part, and we'll see the pallu. Pallu will come in lines, that is seer talappu, and this will be the pallu. Very beautiful, elegant, simple saree which is very comfortable to wear, and this is completely of handloom, and this saree doesn't carry blouse. Cost of the saree would be 2950. If you like to convert it to ready-made madisar, you can make it on additional cost, both Iyer and Iyengar pattern. The next 10 yards kanji cotton saree comes in a plain orange color with mango border. The border comes in a purple color, and all over the body it runs plain. This will be the body part. This is plain and simple elegant saree. Let's see the pallu. Pallu comes in seer talappu in all the handloom sarees. This saree doesn't carry blouse. This will be the pallu, and the cost of the saree will be 1860. and you will have multiple colors in this same pattern. If you wish to order, you can reach below shown WhatsApp number, or you can directly reach Rupa Cloth Store, Nanganallur. The next 10 yards Kanji cotton saree comes with the maroon and green combo. It's a double shade actually, and the border will have silver color border. You will have silver color design in the border. You can see that. And the body runs plain. I'll show you the body part. The body runs plain, and it's a double shaded saree which comes with the green and maroon combo. And I will show you the pallu. Pallu will be of seer talapu, that is line talapu. It's a very different color combo, and the border looks very different in 9 yards. And if you wish to convert it to ready made, you can make it on additional cost. And cost of the saree would be 1950. The next 10 yards Kanji cotton saree comes with purple color, and you will have traditional Mailkan pattern, that is half diamond pattern in the border, and you will have a temple pattern above it. I will see the body. Body runs with checks pattern in blue and yellow color threads. You will see the pallu. It's a very simple and elegant saree. This will be the pallu part, which comes in lines, and it's very comfortable to wear all day long. All the sarees are 10 yards without blouse. These cottons are very rich in quality, and it's very skin friendly. Price of the saree would be 1950. Next 10 yards Kanji cotton saree comes with navy blue color, which has a ratapet border, and the border will have elephant design on it. And all over the body we will have a checks pattern which has small booties in pink and yellow colors, which is very elegant to see. Very simple, and I'll show you the pallu part. Pallu will be line seer talapu with golden lines. And also this saree comes in Ganga Jamuna border. One side comes in maroon and another side will be green. And cost of the saree will be 1950. The next 10 yards Kanji cotton comes in a double shade, which is very light color, but it comes in very unique double shaded saree. And the border will have a Rudraksham pattern on it, which is very simple and elegant. I will show you the body. Body will be in double shaded with sea blue and a chocolate color. And this is the body part. And I'll show you the pallu. Pallu will be very elegant yellow color lines, which is very beautiful and very comfortable to wear. And all the sarees are 10 yards without blouse. These sarees are regular normal wash saree, and this saree is very apt for daily use. Cost of the saree will be 1950. Next 10 yards Kanji cotton saree comes in a yellow color, very traditional color, which has ratapet Rudraksham border on it. On top of that you can find a temple border, and I'll show you the body part. Body runs completely of checks with red and green color. This will be the body part. Very traditional looking saree, and it's completely of handloom with 100 count threads. And this will be the pallu. Pallu will be plain seer talapu. If you wish to buy this saree, you can contact the below shown WhatsApp number, or you can visit Rupa Cloth Store, Nanganallur. Cost of the saree would be 1950. And this also comes in Ganga Jamuna border. One side will be green and one side will be red color. Cost of the saree would be 1950. Next 10 yards Kanji cotton saree comes with checks pattern, which has traditional Mailkan pattern and also the peacock border. It's very elegant, and this border doesn't have any jari. All these are thread works which will not disturb you while knotting it. I'll show you the body part. Body comes in checks pattern, which has yellow and pink color lines on it. And we'll see the pallu. Pallu will be seed talapu, which comes in yellow lines on it. Very simple and elegant saree and very comfortable to wear. All the sarees are 10 yards without blouse. Price range of the saree would be 1950. So to buy this saree, you can contact the below shown WhatsApp number. The next 10 yards Kanji cotton saree comes in traditional maroon color pattern, which has Rudraksham border on it. Very simple and traditional pattern, which looks very elegant. I'll show you the body part. Body runs plain with maroon color, and you'll see the pallu. Pallu will also be very simple and neat seed talapu with golden lines. This will be the talapu for the saree. All these Kanji cottons are 100 crown threads, which is very comfortable and skin friendly too. All these sarees are 100% handloom. Cost of the saree will be 1950. Okay. Today we have shown you some of the color combos and some of the patterns, and we'll have lot of colors in these patterns. And if you wish to buy, you can contact us through our WhatsApp number, or you can visit Rupa Cloth Store, Naganallur, to feel the cloth and you can buy it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe Rupa Cloth Store and please follow us on Instagram and Facebook page for regular updates.